Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Disney Plus account on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you would like to save some money on your Disney account for a better or much cheaper price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which is going to send you to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it's basically a platform where you can share your password with other people safely, like one big family, and each one will save a lot of money. So you just sign up and then scroll down until you see Disney Plus right here. Click on purchase now and you can get 12 months for only 33 euros rather than 100. So you go to promo code right here and you write gummy, which will save you an additional 5% off and you will get the best price possible. And so from here, as you can see, we're right now on the official website for Disney Plus on the mobile device, and you can see sign up now. So you're going to enter your email address that you're going to be required to right here, and then once you click on it, it's going to send you to this website, which is going to redirect you to create an account to continue. So from here, you're going to add an appropriate password. And once you click on agree and continue, it's going to show you two premium offers, so you can choose between standard and premium. But as you can see, it's much more expensive than the one that we showed you before. And so select whichever one is more comfortable for you. And then from here, you simply write down your credit card information and your PayPal. And then from here, you use the same information, you download the application, and then you log in with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.